This camera doesn't beep when I push things though. Welcome back to Cooking with the Snow Dogs. The first thing you're probably gonna notice is this camera's different. Look at how much you can see behind me. This is so crazy. So we're testing out the new camera with this video. Let us know what you think. We're gonna make, what are we making, Greg?
Chocolate Mayonnaise Surprise Cake.
We are finally making the Chocolate Mayonnaise Surprise Cake. I don't know how I feel about this, but it's chocolate, so it should be good. And of course, as always, we have some dogs waiting for some things, but they can't have chocolate. This is actually chocolate, not carob. Unlike the other channel where we always say carob, not chocolate. Yeah. So, sorry girls.
You'll get some treats, some dog treats.
You can't have any cake. They're like, that's okay, we'll just sleep here. We need to preheat our oven to 350. There we go, singing oven. For this recipe, we're going to need 2 bowls. One for some of our dry ingredients, except for the sugar, and then one for the wet ingredients. We are going to mix the wet ingredients in the KitchenAid mixer and the dry ingredients in this bowl, because after we mix them, we're going to pour them in there. That is what we're doing. Are you ready to whisk some stuff together?
Mix.
I guess we'll start with the flour.
All right, how much flour?
2 cups.
2 cups of all-purpose flour.
2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Are you a musician?
Oh, there was only one.
2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then, not carob,
Not
cocoa.
How
much?
Do not eat this.
2 tablespoons.
Don't eat it, it's gonna be amazing. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So we're basically just gonna go ahead and whisk this together.
You can see how they kind of need to be separated.
Yep. We'll get it all together.
Can we eat it? No sugar
You
in
could eat it. It might not be that great
No
though.
sugar in it
There
yet.
is no sugar in it yet.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Do you want me to say beep beep? Is that what you want? Because the camera doesn't beep?
It doesn't beep. Beep, beep.
That's the beep.
Okay.
Alright, so next we want to combine the wet ingredients and the sugar, which is going to be 1 cup of water.
Water's pretty wet.
It is. I think it's the wettest of the ingredients.
I think it might be.
And then 1 cup of sugar.
So now it's sugar water and we can give it to the hummingbirds?
Or we can just eat it.
We could just eat it.
1 cup of mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Not Miracle Whip. That's important.
Say that one more time.
Not Miracle Whip.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
That's so gross.
Not salad dressing.
Not
It doesn't look good
salad
at all.
dressing. If you use salad dressing, this will not turn out right. You have to use mayonnaise. And I know it's weird, but that's why they call it a surprise cake. Because surprise, it's amazing. Wait, don't forget the vanilla.
I forgot one.
Don't forget the vanilla.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. Yeah, I can still get it in there.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. Go ahead, do it, Jamie.
Make sure it's in there.
It's in there. And now we're gonna go ahead and mix all that together. Lock it and go. You forgot the go button.
What's on this side?
Yeah. Go. Don't make a mess. Oh, plug it in.
No, plug it in.
Let's try to
What?
shut this off before you plug
Look at Memphis. She's like, guys, this is hard work, guys.
And go.
Go. Ah, there's the squeaky noise. Ew, it's all splashy. Hey Oakley, we're making a cake. Do you want to come help? Sounds like they're making a mess in there. Do you want to come help make a cake, or do you want to wait till we're making cheeseburger soup and then you can come have some cheeseburger? Okay, you can stay right here. You don't have to.
You can't get up here. I'm not calling you up.
Memphis is like, let me
I
help,
said
guys.
I'm not
Let
calling
me
you
let
up
me
here.
help.
Yeah.
No, we don't want dog hair in the cake. No dog hair in the cake.
Not a lot anyway.
Yeah, not a lot anyway.
Right, you stay.
It's called Cooking with the Snow Dogs for a reason. We know we're eating dog hair.
So we've mixed the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, and now I'm just gonna pour this in here, then mix it.
And ding it.
And then
Okay. You already did that.
I'm gonna do it a
Oh,
couple more
look, it
times.
looks so great. Look at that.
And we're gonna start picking up the.
Just in case.
Yep. Oh, look at that go.
Looks amazing. Super amazing. So now comes the fun part.
Trying to get them even.
Trying to get them even.
Good. I'll pull it out.
Now I'm going to go from one to the other and probably back.
And try not to make a mess.
Try not to make a mess.
Whoa. There we go. You can do this as a regular cake, like in a regular cake pan as well, but we chose to do ours as 2 round cakes because, you know.
We can.
Why not? Layered cake. It'll look amazing.
Give it.
Look at that. It's all chocolatey and gooey.
Raw flour using.
What do you think? You still can't have any cake, no matter how cute you look. Memphis, what is it with you and wanting your butt on that heater? You just like to have a warm butt, don't you? Look at her. She's like, this is the best spot ever. You girls crack me up. All right, we're gonna put them in the oven. How long do they have to bake in the oven for?
Well, it depends on your pan.
What are you eating?
It says
Can.
30 to 35 minutes for layered pans,
Wait,
30
okay.
minutes for an oblong pan.
Okay, so probably 30 to 35 minutes for these. So we're gonna put them in the oven. So to tell that it's done, you insert a toothpick in it, and if it comes out and there's nothing on it, we know they're done. So we just took these out of the oven. They actually, this one only did 30 minutes exactly. So we're gonna, now we have to have the fun part of waiting and letting it cool. Yay, letting it cool. Okay, the cake is cooled. Notice it is dark outside. And now we are going to take it and frost it.
And I'm going to try to put it on this thing.
Yeah.
I'm going to try to do it fairly quickly.
Give it a little tap. Did it go?
We don't know. We'll find out.
No.
Give it a little tap.
All right. Little tiny bit. Tiny bit. Oh, man. Okay, hold on. I got to rinse this.
All right, we ready?
Yep. So the bottom of the cake is out. We are going to go ahead and frost the middle part with white. You don't have to do this. You can do it all one flavor. We just thought it would be
that's
kind of
fine.
fun. We thought it would be kind of fun to do the middle in white because it's a chocolate mayonnaise surprise cake. It'll make for a cool picture. You want some? Oh my goodness, that's all you get. Just a little bit. Because it's chocolate cake, you get a little bit of frosting. Okay, hold on, let me clean it. Are you ready? Here you go. Here, you want to try it? Oh my good, you got it. Thank you. That's all you get. Because it's chocolate cake, you can have a little tiny bit of vanilla frosting.
They're licking them lips.
They're like, that's almost as good as peanut butter. You just can't have any more of that because it's frosting.
Can I have that spoon?
Definitely frosting. Okay, now we're gonna put the
gosh.
top of the cake on. It does.
It does.
It looks
It's
like
a
we just
giant
made.
Oreo cream
All right, we're
pie.
done.
We're done.
Oh my gosh.
It's Oreo cake.
Give me that. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it.
So the one thing I never realized about chocolate mayonnaise surprise
It's a size
cake,
comparison. I mean, it's not just this little cookie.
I didn't realize that it doesn't rise as much as a regular
It's a little
cake.
cookie.
Like I feel like it should be risen more. But whatever, it's gonna be amazing.
Well, no, they were. Yeah, they were. No, that's it.
Yeah.
That's
So-
how you want it to be.
We are doing salted caramel frosting on the outside.
Man.
Because, well, we were thinking of you and trying not to do fudge. Because, you know, Greg and I would have done. Dark chocolate and
'Cause
fudge.
That's the one that I was eyeballing. Dark chocolate fudge. I'm going, that would be really
So
good.
we
Oh,
thought
gosh.
you've been on the salted caramel
Yeah, I
kick
can see
lately.
that. Oh, you
No,
want some
Memphis, no.
some salted
You
caramel?
already had some frosting.
Yeah, you can't
No,
have it.
get down, get down. All right, we're gonna frost the top of this cake. All right, here we go.
Start spreading this.
We're just gonna
Yeah.
put some frosting on some cake. It looks gorgeous. It's gonna be amazing.
I think if I put it on the bottom of this knife, it'll spread better.
There you go.
Yeah, and just kind of just stick it on and just.
Beautiful.
Yeah, sure.
Yep,
You
I
want
guess
up
we're
here?
sprinkling some gold sprinkles on the cake because why the heck not?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does make it look nice and pretty. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yep. Yep.
Why not add more sugar?
Absolutely.
There is our cake. It looks pretty good. The only thing left to do is cut it and try it. I'm excited.
Yep.
How about you? Are you excited? You can't have any because it's chocolate. You already got frosting, so sorry about that. But we're gonna eat this.
There it is.
Look at that.
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at that amazingness.
Look at the center. Come on. The top.
I want to turn. Can I turn this slightly on the
I can
plate
lift it
so that
up
I can
for
be
it.
where the. Yeah, there we go.
I thought I could push it out of there, but I can't. Yeah,
No,
just
it's in there.
stab it
It's in there
a
pretty
little bit.
solid.
Look at it.
Is it gorgeous?
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
look at
look,
this.
it's gorgeous.
Give it a push. Here, I got it.
Gorgeous. Don't wreck that.
Okay.
I got another idea. That
Okay.
looks amazing. Amazing. Okay. Make sure you get a little bit of everything.
Oh my gosh.
Mayonnaise and cake.
I
can't fit this in my mouth.
I've been teased with the icing and the ingredients it seems like all day now.
That's no good, don't eat it.
It's a weird mix of.
The salted caramel frosting is interesting.
Mm-hmm. That makes it just different.
Mm-hmm.
I never had it with the salted caramel.
The cake is moist as can be.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that cake is really moist.
Yeah, it is. Wow. That's super good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
It reminds me kind of like a hot chocolate caramel mocha.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know we're doing the middle frosting like I normally do either.
Mm-mm. That was super good. Okay, I have dogs below me. If you guys end up making this, all of our social sites are listed down below. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Take a picture of it, tag us, show us. We love to see when you guys make the stuff that we show you how to make. And yeah, if you're new to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us grow the audience. As always,
That's crazy.
thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big. And we will see you again soon. Don't drop any because the dogs will try to eat it. This is delicious.
It's not cake
Absolutely
before.
delicious. Goodbye, guys. Jamie's like, look at my cake. My cake is amazing.
You see that? Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm.